LB2500 vertical light battery range is a specialized tool used for tightening and loosening railway, subway, and light rail track nuts. This machine is lightweight, compact in structure, easy to operate, safe and reliable, and is an essential equipment for railway engineering and engineering department line construction, maintenance, and rescue operations.
Maximum impact torque 2450 N.M. Maximum impact frequency 41 Hz. Appropriate bolt/nut specification less than or equal to M42. Battery capacity 12 times 2 equals 24 Ah. Battery voltage 18 VDC. Suitable working environment temperature 18 plus 50 degrees Celsius. Host weight 5.2 kg.